Here we are, Myrtle Beach, but we're not on the boulevard. We call this the second row. This is the first road after the boulevard. And I just wanted to take you guys down this road for just perspective. It's not exciting, it's not amazing, but when you search Myrtle Beach and you see the boulevard and you see the pictures, and everyone knows the iconic sky wheel and the pavilion area and all that. So what I wanted to do is just show what's not shown as often. This is the road adjacent, if you will, that parallels Ocean Boulevard. So this is behind all your nice hotels, your restaurants, things like that. So let's just take a stroll down this road and just see the road less traveled when it comes to tourism in Myrtle Beach. If you've got a keen eye for what we're passing, you'll notice there are a few abandoned structures and abandoned hotels and a couple of vacant fields which were structures before they were torn down. That's been kind of the theme in the past few years of tearing down the derelict buildings and the abandoned buildings and redeveloping. So there's been a lot of change recently. Of course, we can't run the entire length of the second or the third row because the old pavilion site gets in the way. A little fun fact that several decades ago, that large parcel of land that is the pavilion was not one piece of land. There was roads that ran through it. It wasn't until the amusement park got really popular that they acquired the adjacent land and combined the public right-of-way into the larger portion to create what most of us know as the large pavilion amusement park. Now that we've passed the old pavilion site, we're behind the real boulevard. When you Google pictures of Myrtle Beach Boulevard, this is the area they're talking about. We're just one block behind it. So you had the Sky Wheel, the Gay Dolphin, Ripley's, all those fun tourist attractions. So we're behind all those. A little bit of a detour here. That was Plyler Park that you just saw there with the ocean behind it. Now we're behind some of the amusements, the slingshot rides, the Sky Wheel, stuff like that. Coming up here on the right, these are the new structures being built at the end of 16th Avenue. That large tower there was the Driftwood Hotel. I have several videos of that hotel when it was empty and when they were taking it down, demolishing it, so you can check those out if you want to see. But that is the new, very, very tall tower they're building in its place. As we turn a little bit and we go down Withers Drive here, this is a road that's recently had some beautification done to it, so it's an alright street. There was also a few hotels on it that they took down that are vacant lots now, so I imagine they'll be redeveloping those in the near future. come to the end of this journey anyway. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys this second row, because really, if you look online and you try to find pictures and videos in the Myrtle Beach area, you don't see this road. There's nothing amazing about it, but I think it's just good perspective to see what lies on the other side of the city block. The ocean's beautiful, the hotels are great, but why not see behind the curtain? See what's on the next road over. Anyway, hope you like this. See you next time, guys.